So if you don't have money to invest in a business right now, you don't have money to invest in an online business right now, watch this video to the end, because you're going to learn how you can start making money from the internet without investing a dime. If this is your first time of coming to my channel, I want to welcome you to my channel. My name is Awajiimam Isioto, and on this channel I teach you how to do stuffs online. I teach you things that you can do that can help you monetize and grow your finances. So without wasting time, I'll go straight into the video. But before I go into the video, I need you to kindly do me a favor. Kindly like this video, kindly subscribe to this video, and make sure that you turn on the notification bell. You are doing that because number one, it's a way of supporting this channel so that we can grow this channel together. And number two, when you like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell, it helps you to see my videos whenever I post new videos. All right, so kindly like, kindly subscribe, and make sure you turn on the notification bell. Okay, let's go straight to the video. Let me show you 5 ways to earn money without investing. Number one is freelancing. Just like I've said, you can offer your skills and your services on different freelancing platforms like Upwork, like Fiverr, like Freelancer. Whether you know how to write, whether you know how to do graphics, whether you know how to do programming, maybe you know how to do copywriting, or you can design websites, you can go to any of these freelancing platforms, sign up and upload your gig and start offering your services to these people. And the beautiful thing is you can decide how much you want to get paid. That's how interesting it can be. You can decide how you want to get paid. Like for my own case, I started with Fiverr. Okay, that's the easiest to join. I started with Fiverr. I went there, set up my account. All right, I signed up, set up my account, and then I started pushing my brand, and people were coming and I was making my money in dollars. So you can also do the same, whether you're a graphic designer, whether you are a web designer and you offer any skill. The beautiful thing about this is you can get paid from anybody, irrespective of wherever they are in the world, meaning that you can receive your money in foreign currencies and you can withdraw it to your local bank account. This is a very good way for you to make money without investing a dime. Now, number two is selling ebooks. You can sell ebooks. You can write and sell ebooks on platforms like Amazon, Kindle, Direct Publishing, or you can use other platforms. If you're a Nigerian and you're watching this right now, you can use Seller to sell your ebooks. You can use Sales to sell your ebooks. You can use Kobo Course to sell your ebook. There are different platforms. There are platforms that can help you upload your book. You can host your book and then you sell it on the platform. For instance, if you know about cakes, you can start creating cake books. You can teach people how to bake cake with just a book. Okay, you don't have to be all around the place baking cake all the time before you make money. You can diversify your efforts. So you create this ebook once, and once you create it once, you keep selling over and over and over again, because now you have overcome the issue of having to be present all the time. So you don't need to be there. Once you've created the ebook, you can publish it online, and once it is published, people all over the world can see your ebook. They can buy when you are sleeping, they can buy when you are traveling, they can buy when you are even with your family enjoying during the vacation. Maybe you are in the church, people can buy. I've had situations where I created an ebook and I was on stage teaching people about how to sell ebooks. While I was talking, sales were coming in. Are you getting this? People were buying my product, and it was a perfect way to explain, you know, the opportunity to sell online. Are you getting this now? So you can sell ebooks without even investing a dime. You can start the business of selling ebooks without investing a dime. Another perfect example is my own case. I started ebook business without investing 1 naira. Are you getting this now? This is a perfect business you can start if you follow the rules, if you know how to do it. That's number 2. Number 3 is online surveys. Online surveys is another good way for you to make money online without investing. You can go online, sign up on these online survey platforms, start answering questions, and once you answer correctly, make sure that your account details is properly set so that you can receive your money after you finish doing your job, after you've answered questions. The beautiful thing about this is you can do surveys for foreign companies and receive your money in your local bank account. That's number 3. Number 4 is content creation. Content creation. This is another best way for you to make money without investing anything, without investing money. Now, this is apart from just being a content creator, you can build your authority, you can build reputation by just being a content creator. Now, I remember that just a few weeks ago, in the month of June, I paid influencers. Are you getting this now? I paid them because they built a brand that people can trust, and then you can pay them. So those people are making money without even investing money. All they do is to create content. So in your own case, you can pick a particular platform. Remember I said in the beginning of the video that you need to be offering value. So you can create a social media platform. You can create you can create content on a platform and start pushing out your content. For instance, maybe you know about weight loss, you can start talking about weight loss. Maybe you know about how to gain weight, or you know how to build a relationship, how to find your partner, how to make money. You can go on social media, pick a particular platform and start talking about all of these things. If you do this for 30 days, you start growing your following. You start growing your following. As you keep putting out value, you start growing your following. Before you know it, people will start asking you questions. And when they start asking you questions, it means that they are noticing you already. It means that what? They are noticing you already. And once they can notice you, that means they'll start asking you questions. That means you're already building trust. That means you can start charging them little by little. Are you getting this now? So this is a very good way for you to start earning. So if you have a smartphone that can browse, and you have TikTok, and you have YouTube, and you have Facebook, you should start creating content. Start creating content. This is a very perfect way for you to make money without investing. As I'm speaking with you right now, this channel you are watching this video from now has generated money for me consistently. The first video on this channel is still generating money for me, and the honest truth is I have not even been monetized. Depending on when you are watching this video right now, my YouTube channel has not been monetized, but I've been making money from the channel. Are you getting this now? So you can make money online without investing a single dime if you know how to create content online. Now the 5th one is affiliate marketing. You can actually make money from affiliate marketing without investing anything. A lot of people don't know, but I'm telling you now in this video that you can start earning from the internet without investing a single dime by doing affiliate marketing. And what is affiliate marketing? It's very simple. You pick a product, you join a platform, you pick a product, you promote it, and when there's a sale, you get a commission. This is a simple model of affiliate marketing. Are you getting this now? And this is a business that has been pulling out money for people. A business that has been generating a lot of millions of dollars for people. So if you understand how it works, you can actually start, learning about affiliate marketing and make money for yourself. I created a simple guide that will help you to learn about affiliate marketing. If you want to get that guide, go to the link in the description. I dropped it there. If you want to also learn how you can go about any of these processes, any of these methods I've talked about, just go to the link in the description and check. Okay, and I'm going to drop a pin post. I'm going to pin a post to the comment section, so do well to check for it. All right, so you don't miss any added resources that I'm going to be adding to this video. Okay, so these are 5 ways for you to start making money from the internet without investing money. I believe that you have learned something, and I believe that you got value from this video. If you have gotten value from this video, which I believe you have, kindly like this video, kindly subscribe to this video, and make sure you turn on your notification bell so that when I put out more videos, you will always be notified. If you have questions for me, kindly drop it in the comment section, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Enjoy.